guys, it's Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. So we have got an Apple video today, and there's something great about an Apple box because look at those colors. It's getting me excited, and this time we are welcoming iPhone 16e to the Apple family. It is the cheapest iPhone on the Apple website, £599, so it's also $599. I got it in 128 gigabytes, and also I got mine in white, but there's also two colors, so basic, white and black. So it's similar to the iPhone SE. Let's get on to the unboxing. Oh, it's so pearly white. It's looking so fresh and clean. And of course, to go through the box, we have USB-C cable, a SIM ejector. Oh, I like this oval shaped information pack. Really cute. That is the back. And oh my gosh, I haven't held a small iPhone like that in ages. Now let's look at the front screen. We have a 6.1 inch display. You can see the notch at the front. The screen is also with ceramic shield. On the back is glass and also a aluminium design. And
voiceover alert. Voiceover just okay.
We have a single camera on the back with flash. On my right, there is a lock button. And honestly, the lock button feels a little bit weird because it feels too big for this phone. Like they should have, I don't know, made it a bit like cut in half or something. Now on my left, we have the action button and volume up and volume down buttons. You have speakers at the bottom, USB-C port.
Just like a daydream. But now the clouds have gone away. Time to go and press play. So ironic, you're on my line. Don't you know that I'm so divine? I don't hesitate, I can't be tamed.
And as you can see, the phone is pretty thick for a small phone, but it doesn't feel like a small phone at all because it's bigger than the iPhone mini. So it's a pretty decent display. Like the rounded edges look so good on this phone, so the screen still looks big. It's just a tiny bit of disturbance with getting the notch back. And of course, there is no MagSafe on this phone. If you have MagSafe accessories, you can't use them. But what's good is that it has Face ID, so it's nice and quick. The display is also Super Retina XDR Display with 8000 nits of brightness. Now let's get into the camera. As I said, only one camera, however it's a 2-in-1 camera system, which means it's a good resolution and it's 48 megapixel fusion camera with 2x telephoto zoom and a true tone flash, 4K videos. has Apple Intelligence. So all the AI tools are on there, which is really convenient. iPhone 16e also has A18 chip, which is the same as the iPhone 16 lineup. Now coming into the battery, this actually has a really good battery. According to the tech specifics, it's up to 26 hours of video playback, whereas it was up to 15 hours video playback on the iPhone 12 mini. And I did a battery test for the iPhone 12 mini. I think I got to around 6 hours of battery life. So this one should be, maybe just guessing, maybe an hour extra of battery life for like a max usage. But I will test that out because, as you know, I do my favorite battery tests with day in the life. And I'm also thinking to test out the camera and post things on my socials to see how well the camera looks. So let me know if you would like those videos. I think overall this is a pretty convenient phone. Like, it's got all the basics, all up-to-date things that you need, such as the AI tools, allowing you to do quick work and helping you with text and stuff like that. It's also got a decent camera. There might be a little bit less features because we don't have a dual camera system, so for example like the ultra wide shots, but it's okay. Like, the video quality is still 4K, and the 12 megapixel selfie camera, so which is the same as across all iPhones. And the screen is also convenient and big enough for me. Like, I thought the screen would be a lot smaller, so I'm glad that the rounded edges give it that extra space, and there's no home button. So it's a really good size for me, I think. And it's nice to carry on. Like, it's good to have for everyday phone because the battery is also good. But I will test that out in my battery test. And I hope you have enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.